Hey guys, I'll show you how to find proper keywords in this video. First one, you have to search on the Google and type Google's keyword planner. You can see the first options, Google's ad. Click here and you can find two options, sign in or start now. You can click once. If you don't have any account, you have to must be create account. Then see the front page. Good keyword can be viral your videos, so try to find out proper keywords. Click Google's ads. Then you have to go to the tools options. Click tools options. Then you have to the click planning. If you click planning, see the keyword planner. Okay. Previously I was upload one video about YouTube Shorts. Now I want to try to find some keyword for this video. I just typing here YouTube Shorts. Okay. I am typing YouTube Shorts. Now I can change or add many more countries. I also add United States and United Kingdom, and I also try to add Germany because of I want to make sure that the video is viral and the high keyword I need. That's why get result. If I click get result, then see here is the lots of keyword you can show. Okay, now I have to need some keywords. That's why I am trying to click here. Then I am click I see there is lots of keyword. Then I copy. Then I back my video. Here is the tag options. I just paste the keyword. It's easy process actually. You can do it easily. Then I need more keywords. That's why I am try to find out which keywords is good. Now select the keywords, then copy again, then paste. If you want, you can select more tags or more keywords. Then you can copy. Then you can also paste the all keywords at once time. See, I click two keywords, then I paste the keywords. Okay, it's easy. Looks there is a so many suggestion option. There is top high rank, there is low range. You can see the range, $8, $25. This keyword so good, that's why I want to copy the keywords, then paste here. Okay, then go to the again keyword options. See, here is a lots of keyword. There is so many keyword. Then I also copy another one, then paste here. Okay, it's easy actually. That's why I just tell you you can use it. See, here is the suggestion option. If you want, you can click suggestion option. Then you can also find more keywords, and obviously you to try to take high range keyword. Okay, here is lots of keywords show here, so you can also use suggestions options. Yeah, I already add another one. That's easy actually. Now you can copy and paste the keyword on your YouTube video sections. Paste here. Now you can save the video. Okay, that's it. It's so much easy. Okay.